Ooh, ball. I got a ball. Man, being sideways is the best. If you're not sideways, then I don't know what to say.
Yeah,
about
you play with the frisbee. It's kind of.
You have to be sideways. This is very disorienting, though it hurts my eyes, but I like it.
Am I gonna get lucky here? No. Unlucky for life.
Oh god, it feels so terrible. It feels so weird being sideways. You have no idea.
Actually, I do. I've been sideways.
Joining match.
I mean, I
Oh.
Orange picks up the disc.
Oh, what the heck? Game in progress.
It's headed back downfield.
No.
Oh, there's nobody over there. Oh, it makes a sound.
Oh, God, that's your No.
Yeah, it makes a sound. Alright, Pretzel, you got it. It's all you.
Oh,
It's all you, Pretzel. It's all you, Pretzel.
Oh, the ricochet.
Exactly what I planned. In for the rebound.
Dude, all my
Dude,
backboard
I'm
stuff
proud of
is
you. I'm
so
proud of you.
off
I do what I can do on those shots.
Off game, I don't know if
job.
you guys
Dude, those are some of the hardest shots to pull off, and you did that perfect. Flawless.
What? Backboard shots are easy.
Let's do this.
Wait, what's do they have 6 or 5? Oh. Alright, who's getting disc?
Got it.
I'll grab it.
Actually, I'll go down there and see it.
Got it. I'm going down once you grab disc.
Go for it.
Got it.
Oh, solid.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
that was nice.
You got it. Nice throwaway.
You can each of it.
Sideways.
Yeah, okay. Should be able to get that. This we're actually.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Where'd you go? Okay. That would work.
Oh my god.
Come on, shoot it.
Oh my god, are you serious? See what I told you? My back is off.
Oh no.
He did a 360. You got it.
Yep.
You know what magic is?
No.
You wanna see some magic?
Yeah, sure.
Magic.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Oh, I thought that was gonna kind of go into. I was hoping. I prayed.
Oh, you little turd.
I got that.
Oh,
I'm so close. I thought I was gonna get it. Y'all together. Got same
no.
team.
Oh, okay. You can grab it.
Look out, blue's coming straight ahead.
Oh, my bad. I did not mean to grab that.
Oh my god,
Oh.
We're good. Oh, he's grabbing onto me too. That was close. A little closer.
Dang, they're getting
My
close
bad
to a
for
mercy
grabbing that.
lane.
Whoever I grabbed it from, that was not my fault. But yeah, that was my bad. I apologize. He goes, oh.
Get to your launchers.
Trying to.
We got this. At least a point on the board will slow it down. Oh, we only have 38 seconds though. It doesn't matter.
I'll get this, I guess. I got it.
30 seconds remaining. Well, that ain't good for us.
Do it.
Oh, that's a good throw.
That's terrible. My
Oh.
fault. Get it, go get it.
That was a solid throw then.
Sorry, I'm self-passing. Should be able to get that. Nice.
15 seconds remaining.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, okay.
Get anywhere now.
Alright, well, GG. Good game.
Good.
I'm genuinely scared. I can't.
That was solid, bro. Well done, guys. For real, for like the levels that you guys are playing hella good. For real, for real. Solid. Good job, Ben. Oh, that was Pretzel. Pretzel made that.
What I make?
Pretzel made the rebound.
Oh yeah. Bounce shot.
Benji made one too. Yeah. I got 4 stuns too. Pretzel got 6. Let's go. Alright, GG boys.
Bye.
Take it easy, guys.
Yeah, for real. It was good seeing you. Hope I see you in a later game.
I think Autopilot is cool, my friend. Where's AI? Cool.
Bro, this man's really versing an AI
Finding
right
match.
now.
Are you going into a metric? I did a.
Yes, I am.
Joining match.
You're already part of my party.
Hello.
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 Do you guys think we might win?
We might.
No.
Okay,
Actually,
that's
yeah, we
good
might.
Spirit, good spirit, good spirit.
Well,
We
it
might
depends on
win.
how sucky or good the other team is.
They might be sucky, they might be good, who knows?
They might be God.
Give to them
I hope
nothing
they're not. I hope they're not level 50.
and take from them
They're level 50.
everything.
Level 20. 20 to 20. 25.
20
Actually,
to
no, level
25. 20 to 25.
We're on the 20.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
All right.
You're grabbing something.
So if you
Good
reach,
luck, you
when
guys.
you go forward, if you reach forward and hold the grab button, you can grab me as I move through you, and we can grab off each other several times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, Dad?
Papa mia. No!
Orange team takes possession.
I hope you can play that.
Yeah.
Blue. Blue team, what did he make?
Let's go. I made that. Let's not talk about that, miss. I got a pass to me. Oh, I guess not.
Shit.
You didn't make that.
No.
No.
I still almost missed it though.
I thought I just missed the first second.
Almost did.
I swear if you missed
It
that.
happens. It happens.
If I did, everyone would have bullied me and called me trash for the rest of my life, but I didn't. Hello.
Life is short.
Yeah. It's okay, my guy. Okay. Oh, it's another user. I've never seen another one. We're so rare these days.
Let's do this.
Yeah. Ooga, booga, ooga.
Okay.
Mine. Hehehe. Pass! Oh, never mind. I didn't pass that.
Booga, booga.
Ooga, booga. Oh, God,
Shoulda,
booga.
shoulda, 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 no.
Come on, that had to be an assist. What the? Parkour. Pass what? No, I better pass that to you. Dang it. You didn't. Sadly. We need to make a touchdown, guys. Oh, dang it. No one will get the touchdown. But what the? Oh, I missed. I eat my butt. I threw backwards, so don't say I was back there. Okay. Actually, I saw lag right there. Total lag. I have no lag. You lie to yourself. I saw. There's no lag at all. You're just a freaking big fat liar. Yep. That was a lag. That was the laggiest play I've ever seen. I have less
Part
than
of it is that
7
you're
things.
grabbing the ground like a lot.
Yeah, I know. That's a good I have less than 7 ping. No way. You should have let that one in, bro.
Thank
Why would
you.
you grab it? I know. Why would you grab it? You see, that would have happened to me if I were to miss. I would have been called names. Oh my god. Pass. Are you kidding me?
No.
Make it in. Thank you. That had to be an assist by me. I missed it. Let's go. 5 goals. Whoever grabbed it. Let's go. God dang it, doggo. God dang it. Good job. He had to grab it. Did you shoot it? Yeah, you. Nice shot.
It was alright.
Okay, let's make a touchdown and win. We still have time. We have 2 minutes.
Let's do it.
I came back from further.
Yep. We got this.
Because one time I came back, it was like 10-0, and we came back and won. 30. So.
Nice.
And one time it was 23-0, and we came back and won 23-0. Everything is fine. No, it's not. That's
Gosh.
my disc. Oh, never mind. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm super sorry.
All good.
I'm sorry. I didn't touch you.
All good.
Fuck.
Oh wow. Let's go. Let's grab. Throw it. Throw it. No. Beautiful throw. Yeah. You're hacking. Beautiful. No, you're hacking. No, you're hacking. That's what
Bruh, it's just called gig. It's he been probably training.
Yes. Go throw it. Oh, never mind. No, my freaking god. I made that team. We're winning so much. Let's go. You gotta stop 6 points. Okay, we just win. We just need to get 2-3 wins this, and then we win. So
You guys need to get 3 points out of 2 rounds.
That's not happening. That's not that hard. Okay, if we win, we're gonna have so much bragging rights because the
Sure.
freaking garbage are gonna kill them all. Okay, that's the game plan. Okay, so look, so I'm gonna go over there. You throw it, right? I'm gonna be on the other end. I'm gonna make it, and then the right. Okay, the right. Woo! Mine! I swear, I hate whoever hit me. So you're gonna let him get MVP, huh? I made that shot. No, get away. I made that. I made that, guys. That was on me.
Yeah.
Did we win? I did all of it. I'm getting
We need
MVP.
we need 4 more points for.
I think we're winning. Right?
I mean, psychologically,
So let's start the
they're
same plan
tearing
again,
themselves
but-
apart.
Let's try the same game plan, but this time it works.
Okay.
Oh no, get it. No! Oh, I'm so sad. What do you think you're doing? My disc! Oh.
He's going over there.
You suck. My disc. I wanted to boost. Get off of me! Oh, no. I need to make a touchdown. Don't you dare let him get another goal. I'm sorry, if they're gonna get another goal, it's gonna be another goal. Oh, wow. That's my goal, let's go. Another goal by me. I'm popping off this game, let's go.
You're not. You didn't even score this. My God.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
So why doesn't that show your name?
Like I said,
My
the
name,
team
I
is
changed
tearing
my name,
themselves
not
apart.
this.
Technically, we're winning already.
I know. Look at the score. It's like 35-0.
But they're not getting along at all. They
Yeah.
hate each other.
I know, so we're still winning.
We're having the most fun.
I know. Okay, I did launch. Tango on your 6, Tango on your 6.
You only scored only 1.
I scored, however, 35. He scored 35 points. I don't know why you're a freaking legend. No. I would have caught that if I had faster reflexes. Why don't you have better reflexes then?
Yeah, well, if was a fifth, we'd all be drunk.
We're gonna freaking win this game. Oh, we're gonna win this game. We are going to win this game. If you guys win this game, I'll give you nothing. Mine. I'll give you free V-Bucks. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Oh,
I'm
but
gonna
it's
get
not
you.
a good throw.
I'm gonna get you. Doesn't matter. Ha, you didn't get me. No. Bro! Oh made that? Why would you do that? Why would you do
Not
that?
even him, it was the other guy.
Yeah, why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Gummy worm, is that you, Mr. Gummy Worm? I love gummy worms. I want some gummy worms. I want gummy worms. Let's go. The MVP's for me. Oh, we just freaking You didn't get anything. Oh. That's what you get. My MVP. You see this? That's me.